This is where Burnett's granddaughter, Lily, comes into our story. She lives with her mom and dad in the big city. A few hours train ride from Shining Time. She sees magic no one else has time to, like lovely reflections of light on a rainy day. Soon, she was off to stay with her grandpa on Muffle Mountain.
Grandpa's been so sad since Grandma Tasha died, and he never comes here to see us.
Well, maybe your visit will cheer him up, Did you get his present?
Here. I'm making him a friendship bracelet.
Honey, that's beautiful.
But I'd rather just stay here with you.
I know. Come here.
I'm gonna go up this way.
Okay. Be careful.
You always say that.
See you in a minute.
You're coming with me to Grandpa's, Bluebird. I know how much you like to travel.
Far away on Sodor, the steam engines were confident, cheerful, and determined not to be bullied by Diesel. Only James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons?
Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job, Important is big. James is a big engine, You, Thomas, are small. Small, 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 teeny, weeny, weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets! All that steam has gone to your funnel.
Hey, there they are.
We'll fix their wagons.
I'm not good at backing up.
Me neither.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What engine? What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we'd better find her first. Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball.
When Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past you.
Right.
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, brutes. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo! Choo!
Dear Mr. Conductor, where were you? My wife said she couldn't miss our little holiday. We'll telephone to make sure you have arrived. Signed, Sir Topham Hatt. Sir Topham Hatt. Where were you? Oh, good afternoon, sir. A real honor, sir, like my family before me. And how is Lady Hat? Yes. Watch out for Diesel, definitely. Keep an eye on Henry's health, certainly. Yes, sir, the 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic. I mean, I will be responsible, reliable, and really useful. Yes, sir. We will all get a good night's sleep. Looking forward to a hard day tomorrow. Goodbye, sir. So who dropped the ball then? Oh, there you are. I'd like to have a nice cup of hot cocoa. Would you fellas care to join me? No? What would you rather do instead? Go outside and play? Well, I can understand that. What do you think? Why do you keep hitting him like that? You're gonna have a timeout. Just a little sweeter, I think.
All right, Pinchy, my little bucket of badness. Time to feast yourself.
Now that's better.
Cinders and ashes, it's Diesel!
Diesel? Oh, no. Hello, Twinkle Toes. I got a plan, and you're not in it.
You can't catch me, Diesel.
Losing your sparkle, huh? What perfect timing. Now, where is that lost engine?
You won't find her here.
You're not clever enough to stop me.
Oh, yes, I am.
No, you're not. What is that?
That's right. It's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good.
Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow. Neither will that line of tin kettles. Shut up, Pinchy.
Mr. Conductor, but what happened to your sparkle?
I don't know, Thomas. I'll just have to sleep on that.
On your sparkle?
No, Thomas. On the problem of what happened to him.
Oh, but Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle or the lost engine, you can't travel here to help us anymore.
I'll solve the problem. You just go to sleep now.
Easy for you to say.
Sparkle, gold dust, magic, railroad, buffers.
Lost engine?
The family told me, as long as there is a railroad, there will be harmony. As long as there is gold dust, there will be energy. You will never have to worry. Yeah, sure.
Mr. C. Mr. C. Why aren't you here? Why couldn't you travel anymore to the island of Sodor? Or back home here to us in Shining Time? The magic is all gone.
What's going wrong with our railroad and why? My universe is in danger. I've got to find more gold dust.